Lord, you told me that if I walk with you from the beginning, you'll be with me the whole time. But I noticed that on my worst parts of my way, there was only one pair of footprints in the sand. I don't understand. When I most needed you, why you left me alone? The Lord answered me, my precious son, I always loved you, and I will never leave you alone. On your times of suffering, when you saw on the sand only one pair of footprints, there was then that I held you in my arms. Lord, why Marion?
I wish I had the power to walk through the gate of a cemetery and say, rise, everybody rise, cause Shabazz said rise. For right now, all I can do is pray and ask why. My little sister was only 14 years old. Her life was stolen. God bless her soul. Marion. Yo, inside myself I'm suffering, I'm feeling all alone. It's like I'm stranded in the dark, ready to journey home. Spirit exhausted from the holy wars, a man of God ordained to this earth in physical form to fight a holy cause. Too many thoughts clouding my mind, striving for total bliss. Angel of death rotting my trail, blowing that deadly kiss. I reminisce, words echo in my brain like I'm insane. Nah, she ain't dead, eternal migraine. Every time I look at your picture, now I get swollen eyes. Trying to survive in this cold world, so many stolen lives. I see her smiling in the clouds when I gaze at the skies. I see us both laughing in heaven every time I close my eyes. 3 in the morning on my bed, one in the fucking pipe. Shit pressed against my head, ready to take my fucking life. Sweating and breathing fast, I gotta get even fast. Thinking about the jewel bumpy told me to let 6 evenings pass. Life flashed before my eyes while the tears were pouring. Soon as that bullet pierced your flesh, my mother heard you calling. She jumped up out of her sleep, felt your energy, thinking to herself, what was the message God was sending me?
Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age? Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age?
Praying at night for forgiveness, prophetic sin. Help me, Lord, my sister's soul has to be avenged. I contemplate revenge, congregate with my men. I wanna let the barrel spin, but please don't let me die in sin. My salvation is my 2 children. Keep seeing visions flashing, my little sister collapsing in that fucking building. Why is the story of my life so full of cloudy days? Why did I have to see so much at such an early age? Why did they have to send my sister to an early grave? We never know when it's our day, all we could do is pray. She always said she wanna be with her mommy and daddy. Maybe she ain't suffering no more and she's eternally happy. My little sister was only 14 years old. Her innocent life was stolen. God bless her soul. We pray to understand and see the footprints in the sand as the Lord carry his child to the promised land.
Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age? Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age?
When I return, sprinkle my ashes on the ocean. Let my spirit be free, my seas and relive my emotions. Celebrate the good days we had in life, all the joking. I don't wanna see nobody crying, just thug passion glasses toasting. Remember walking down the corridor of Kings County. I was young, going to identify Bumpy's body. They found him slain in the alley, body decomposed. So at the funeral, his casket was closed. I tried to pull Ra out his coffin while they were closing it. With tears in my eyes, I held his right hand and put a rose in it. My world was spinning fast, it's like the walls were closing and standing right before him, catching the chills and hailing frozen wind. I couldn't eat for a week, I got skinny and weak, digging inside for salvation cause I ain't wanna speak. My temperature at 106, but I was frostbitten, laying on my deathbed like Christ lay on the cross smitten. Almost collapsed in the studio when I first heard it. I'm in Brazil and Blessed told me Marion was murdered. Her angel of death shot a man in his head from in the hallway. She tried to run from shots in the doorway. A bullet pierced her back, caused her spirit to leave her flesh, and now her breath is combined as one with my breath. I'm breathing for you, praying your soul into the pearly gate. Why did she have to leave this earth at such an early day? Wish I possessed the power to blow the breath of life back into her nostrils. Give her another chance in the hospital. It's like I see you crying while I'm staring at your picture. We all love you and we gon' miss you, even Lil Tritcher.
Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age? Lord, please tell me why did she have to pass away? Why did she have to pass away at such an early age? Right now she's speaking through me. I know she wanna thank you, mommy, Larry, for all y'all done for her, all the guidance, putting up with her shit. Cause she know if not what she do. Word up, must hold on. Star, don't cry. Word up. Sha sha. Sha sha.
We love you, Marion.